Meet the all-new Kindle Paperwhite. Our thinnest, lightest yet, now waterproof, with Audible, plus a sleek modern design and twice the storage. Kindle Paperwhite is purpose-built for daily escapes, so you can read and relax in more places.
Where other literary characters had been discerned mistily through their creators, Holmes appeared in the highest resolution, so clearly an individual